right, Tommy Effort on the hook. 8,600 forward. First forward here at the Augusta County Fair 2019. Here we go. Tommy set up at 317.27. 317.27. And he gives me a thumbs up. You know he's keeping that one. Yeah. All right, Wayne Mollison, 786, right? Still no boost instead of loose. Here goes, there we go. .61. 324.61 puts him in the top 5. Alright, Alan took the other side of the track and see if it was any better. 316.81. Mark Lawson, 8,600 forward, be your next forward. Alright, he gonna build the boost and set this forward loose. Here we go. We got a new leader, 331.86. 331.86 for Mark Lawson. Person standing here needs to go over to the guardrail, please. All right, Jason Patterson. Uh-oh. Oh, 231.19. 231.19. All right, Brent Sayers, 1066, I-8. On the hook, got the green. We'll build your boost, here we go. Ooh, 327.58. 327.58 for Brent.
Opposite direction.
RWB 966 I-8. We've got to come back together. Nothing are down the road. Not too bad, 315.35, 315.35 for Logan. All right, just the last four of the class. Let's see what he's got. He was reaching for everything he could. 322.55. 322.55. Hang tight, I'll give you the rundown. All right, first place going to Mark Lawson on that 86 Ford. 8600 Ford, I apologize. Second place going to Brent Sayers. Third place, Wayne Baldwin. Fourth place going to that man right there, Travis. All right, we're going to start off the 80-50 run what you run diesel class. Corey Bowman, 05 Chevrolet, going to be the first puller. 280.32. 280.32 for Corey. He was coming on with it. 313.24, 313.24 for Mr. Looney. 2003 Ford Tire Stroke coming up next. Lady Disarno, not too bad. 250.82, 250.82. He was giving everything he could, putting it all over the track from the front end. What happens when you turn him up? You feel the booster turn him loose, but he's set up at 278.10. 278.10. They dry down. All right. Naked water. Here we go. Lady was giving everything he could. 308.31. 308.31. Get on the WWPTV right down here. Good Lord, I screwed that all up, didn't I? I don't get no promotional credit for nothing now. WWPTV. Log into its YouTube page, sign up, look it up, and you can sit at home and watch everything going on. Chevrolet fans, where are you at? That's what I'm talking about. 342.94. 342.94 puts Randy Sampson in the top spot. Now Randy, that's just showing off. It happens every dang on time, I know it. We got a blackout. There's a sled in there somewhere. Way up. Not quite enough though. 281.73. Randy Sampson's going to be your winner. Second place going to John Looney. Third place going to Nathan Parker. Whole lot of smoking going on. All right, Rocky Meadows. Gonna start off the 4500 economy tractor class. These are not your everyday average farm tractors that you can very well see. 317.06. 317.06. We got thumbs up. That means the mark is set.
V8 modified tractors. We're going to stretch the frame to accommodate for a bigger motor. We're going to swap in a small block. We're going to add a 4-barrel carburetor, and we're going to add a really big air filter. We're also going to add some puller tires, some safety equipment. We're going to make about 600 to 700 horsepower, and it's going to be a wild ride.
.47. That thing is sharp. I believe that's a 1940 model. He was going after John. Not quite enough. 331.31. John Nichols going to be the winner of the class at 333. Second place for that man right there, Kevin English. Third place, Rocky Meadows. Trump's coming up next.
The 6,200-pound National Sportsman 4x4 features a 650 cubic inch wedge head naturally aspirated engine with stock bore spacing. These trucks run 1,150 to 1,350 horsepower, and it's one of the fastest growing classes on the East Coast.
All right, looks like we're ready to go. Chad Lamb. Got the 1034 ready to go. flag. Green light. Let's see what that boy can do, Mr. Ben Carmen. Whoa. We either got two things, fuel or fire. Something went wrong. Luckily nothing got hurt. 259.58. 259.58.
Yeah, it looks awesome here.
All right, Philip Simmons. Truck he calls the Foolish Pleasure. By golly, he got her hitting all of that time. 320.54. 320.54. That means we got a new leader. All right. Coming up now, going to be Mason Brisbane. Chevrolet, he calls Cut Loose. Set up her on the hook and that Cut Loose Chevrolet. We got green, green, green. Here we go. All right, Clayton Towers on the hook. 65 forward. Right now, we still got that 320 mark held by Philip Simmons and that Foolish Pleasure.
They're switching the fuel pump on this truck and going to put it on the Footloose. So they're just moving the fuel pump around off of Cut Loose and putting it on Footloose. For Mason. Mike Shiflett, clear cut forward, rounding out the 6200 National 4x4.
place in the class going to Philip Simmons and that Foolish Pleasure. He's setting up at 320.54. Second place in the class going to Tracy Parker and that 69 Ford, setting at 320.39. I told y'all it was close. Third place going to Mason Prison down in the Footloose truck. Line limited turbos. First puller in the class. Ed Ingram on a 9600 Ford. 323.96. 323.96.
7700 Light Limited Turbo and 7800 Light Pro Stock both feature a 466 cubic inch diesel engine or a 466 cubic inch carbureted gas engine. Next, we're going to throw in an injection pump, then we're going to add a high performance turbo, then we're going to add an intercooler, and lastly we're going to put a water injection system to help to keep everything cool. These guys are going to put 80 pounds of ice in there and they're going to blast down the track with 12 to 1600 horsepower.
Redneck Hill, who wants a shirt? My little arms ain't that bad, sir. Whoever wants it, come down here to the boat hole. All right, Steve Flint, next takes 9. Mike Cross on that old Smoky. Pay attention, you'll find out why. Mr. Green Bean, Alice Chalmers D21. He knows all about. Will, don't laugh at me. I had a hamburger in my mouth. It was good. I'm hungry. But anyway, Mr. Bean down there on that D21, Alice Chalmers. All about that Alice, if I'm not mistaken. Will down here laughing at me. Lord have mercy. Now we gotta eat too, you know. Here we go. He said, it's a 301.91. 301.91. Run out, y'all gonna love it. First place going to Ted Ingram. Second place and third place was like on top of each other. Swear to God. Mr. Bean right there on that D21 is setting into 301.91. Third place, Mr. Steve Flint, that case side, setting at 301.41. 1,000 hot bars. Jason Bauer is going to be your first puller. 1466 side. All right, here we go. Jason Bowers on that 1466. Want to build the boost up. Be the first forward in 11,000 hot farm. We've got a pile of tractor classes coming up. 8, 10, 12, 15 farm and 8, 10, 12, 15 fleet. We got a whole lot of tractor classes. Jason sent number to 313.49. 313.49.
466 Hot Farms feature a 466 cubic inch diesel engine, a high performance turbo, an injection pump. They also allow intercoolers and water injection systems. We're going to put 80 pounds of ice in there and we're going to pound the track with 900 to 1100 horsepower.
Jerry Brinkley, that backwoods binder. All right, Bradley Seals on that Ford 9600 on the hook. Got a distance of 315, 330 to beat. Here, put that out there. He put it on out there a little further. 331.96. Puts him in the top. All right, on the hook. Tractor he calls Old Herman. Right down the road here, James River Equipment, Mr. Kenny Sandridge. I do believe the old boy still got it. 349.13. 349.13 puts Adam Ritchie in the top 5. All right, hang tight and I'll give you the rundown. right, Ken made a little exhibition pass. 279.61. 279.61. All right, slow and steady, here we go. All right, he spun around, enter 214.98. 214.98 for Aubrey Fuller. All right, we got a new leader right there, Chad Teeter. 279.26. Tammy Houston. Sportsman 600 medal. All right, 260.54, 260.54. You got everything you get, 284.50.
You see this way.
Chevy 305.54. 305.54. All right, here we go, John Deere 4450. As they're walking the dog, getting every bit he could. 302.06. 302.06. Adam Ritchie, I agree with you.